my name is Vigendas and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat one I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe and leave the comment below. So it's 2025 February and the goal this year, put her in the water and then see if it floats or not. So from now we're gonna start tackling the jobs what makes a sea ship float. But need to take into consideration if we're in the water we need to steer the boat, and this is not really looks to shape. What we're gonna do is gonna make another one. Do we wanna make longer? Maybe go extension. Just use as a template. Easy. Obviously we see the fail and the drill and the layer. Interesting. Obviously it failed because it's not even stainless things, but we can sort it out, no problem. This thing seems still solid. We got some ply, need 5 thickness. Make template to bend it like that. I'm guessing. Easy. Right, we got this contraction. So I'm gonna start. We're gonna try to laminate. So we sandwich everything together. Now let the magic happen. Bending. So that enough. Put that one there. Tie that together. Let's see how it's gonna happen. We're gonna do time lapse.
Let's get scratching.
This kind of works. Now we need to wedge here to get a little bit bigger curve. And yeah, let's do it. All done. I'll now just leave to dry. It's got a little slightly curve. So yeah, we'll see. Right, moment of truth. That's gonna keep the shape. Right. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. Then we got this sander. So we need some kind of shape. I think this is gonna be like round there and go like this. And then shape it. And then a little curve. Not sure, but on this end we're gonna leave till the end because we don't know how long it needs to be. Well, we need to roughly measure in there. So we need to take this fitting off. So we're gonna fit the more new one. So we have to a little bit shorten up. I think we're gonna go about there. So we got shape. Now time to fit this. So we got there. Use multi-tool to gauge how much you need. 15 mil down. I'm gonna mark the blade with Tipp-Ex. And then we know how far we need to go. 1.5 there. Like this. So we're gonna make better, bigger size to go in. Right, the box is set, sand it off and vanish, easy. Vanish. Right, not bad. So, one more coat and we are ready to rock and roll. think that's it. And if it seems too long, we just shorten up, whatever. Let's go solid. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. See you next time.